The future is here. We are living in an era where the boundaries between science fiction and reality are increasingly blurred. It arrived not with a bang, but with the soft hum of servers. These servers, the silent workhorses of our digital age, are the backbone of a revolution. Artificial intelligence, once a whisper in science fiction, is now woven into the fabric of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is there, making our lives easier, more efficient, and sometimes even more enjoyable. From the recommendations in your social media feeds to the diagnoses in your doctor's office, AI is reshaping our world. It's in the apps that guide us through traffic, the algorithms that suggest what we might like to watch next, and the systems that help doctors diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy. But with great power comes great responsibility. The capabilities of AI are vast, but so are the ethical considerations that come with it. As we create machines that can learn, reason, and make decisions, we must confront the ethical challenges they present. These challenges are not just technical but deeply human, touching on issues of trust, transparency, and fairness. The development of artificial intelligence is akin to splitting the atom. It's a monumental achievement with the potential to transform society in ways we can scarcely imagine. It holds immense promise for progress, but also the potential for profound harm. The same technology that can save lives can also be used to infringe on our privacy, or even cause harm if not properly managed. We have a moral obligation to ensure that AI is used for good, not for ill. This means creating frameworks and guidelines that ensure AI is developed and used responsibly. This means confronting the very real dangers of bias, discrimination, and lack of accountability. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if that data is biased, the outcomes will be too. These are not merely technical challenges, but profound ethical dilemmas that demand our urgent attention. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it is up to us to ensure that the rise of intelligent machines benefits all of humanity. In today's lesson, we'll explore the ethics of AI, focusing on bias, fairness, and accountability. If you're committed to understanding and shaping ethical AI practices, join the AI Prosperity Hub membership for exclusive insights and resources. Let's embark on this crucial journey together. Bias, that insidious human flaw, can easily creep into our creations. It's a subtle yet pervasive issue that can have far-reaching consequences. AI systems learn from the data we feed them. They are designed to identify patterns and make decisions based on this data. If that data reflects our prejudices, the AI will inherit and amplify them. This means that any existing biases in the data can become even more pronounced in the AI's decisions. Imagine an AI trained on a dataset of hiring decisions from a company with a history of discriminating against women. The AI would learn to replicate these biased decisions. This AI, unless carefully corrected, could perpetuate that bias, denying qualified women the opportunities they deserve. This is just one example of how bias in AI can manifest in real-world scenarios. This is not a hypothetical concern. It is a pressing issue that demands our attention and action. Facial recognition systems used by law enforcement and security agencies are less accurate at identifying people of color. This inaccuracy can lead to serious consequences. This can have dire consequences, leading to wrongful arrests and perpetuating systemic racism. The impact of biased AI decisions can be devastating for individuals and communities. Similarly, AI used in loan applications, if trained on biased data, could deny loans to qualified individuals based on their race or ethnicity. This can hinder economic opportunities and reinforce existing inequalities. The dangers of biased AI are manifold. At their core, they represent a failure of one of our most cherished values, equality. When an AI system discriminates against individuals or groups, it undermines the very foundations of a just and fair society. This can lead to a self-reinforcing cycle of disadvantage, where those already marginalized are further excluded by the very systems designed to serve them. Moreover, biased AI can erode trust in technology and institutions. When people perceive that AI systems are unfair or discriminatory, they are less likely to accept their decisions or use services that rely on them. This can have a chilling effect on innovation and adoption, hindering the potential of AI to benefit society as a whole. The pursuit of fairness in AI is not just a technical challenge, but a moral imperative. It demands a multifaceted approach, one that addresses both the data used to train AI systems and the people who design them. We must strive to create AI that is not only intelligent, but also ethical, reflecting the values of equality and justice that we hold dear. One crucial step is to ensure that the data used to train AI systems is diverse and representative of the populations they are intended to serve. This means actively seeking out data that reflects a wide range of perspectives, backgrounds, and experiences. By training AI on a more inclusive dataset, we can help mitigate the risk of bias and promote fairness in its decision-making. Building a more inclusive intelligence. Diversity is not just about the data, it's about the people. The teams developing AI systems must be as diverse as the societies they aim to serve. This includes diversity of gender, race, ethnicity, background, and thought. A more inclusive AI development process is not just a matter of social justice. It's essential for creating AI that is fair, unbiased, and beneficial for everyone. Moreover, we need to develop tools and techniques to detect and mitigate bias in AI systems throughout their lifecycle. This includes bias detection algorithms that can identify and flag potential biases in training data and model outputs. It also involves establishing clear ethical guidelines and standards for AI development and deployment, ensuring that fairness is a core design principle. The imperative of accountability. Accountability is paramount in the age of AI. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into our daily lives, the need for clear and robust accountability mechanisms grows ever more critical. When machines make decisions that affect our lives, we need to know how those decisions are made and who is responsible for them. This is especially important in sectors like healthcare, finance, and law, where AI decisions can have profound impacts on individuals and society. This requires a fundamental shift in our thinking about AI, moving away from the notion of autonomous machines and towards a framework of human oversight and accountability. We must ensure that there are always humans in the loop, overseeing and guiding AI systems. Transparency is key to accountability. Without transparency, it is impossible to hold anyone accountable for the actions of AI systems. We need to be able to see and understand the inner workings of these systems. We need to be able to understand how AI systems work, how they are trained, and what data they are using to make decisions. This means that AI developers must be open about their methodologies and data sources. This means developing explainable AI, where the reasoning behind an AI's decision can be understood and scrutinized by humans. Explainable AI is crucial for building trust and ensuring that AI systems are used responsibly. It also means creating clear lines of responsibility for AI systems so that individuals and organizations can be held accountable for their actions. Legal frameworks and regulations must evolve to address the unique challenges posed by AI, ensuring that accountability is maintained at all levels. Transparency. Illuminating the Black Box. The inner workings of many AI systems, particularly deep learning models, can seem like a black box, even to their creators. This opacity makes it difficult to understand how decisions are made, let alone to identify and correct biases. We need to shed light on these black boxes, making AI systems more transparent and interpretable. Explainable AI, or XAI, is an emerging field that seeks to develop AI systems that can provide clear and understandable explanations for their decisions. This could involve techniques such as generating natural language explanations, visualizing decision pathways, or highlighting the most influential factors in a decision. By making AI more transparent, we can increase trust, improve accountability, and facilitate the identification and mitigation of bias. When AI causes harm, mechanisms for redress. Even with our best efforts, AI systems will inevitably make mistakes, some of which could have serious consequences. It is therefore crucial that we establish clear mechanisms for redress when AI causes harm. This includes establishing clear lines of responsibility, developing processes for investigating and adjudicating claims, and providing avenues for victims to seek compensation or remedy. This will require collaboration between policymakers, legal experts, ethicists, and technologists to develop appropriate legal and regulatory frameworks for AI. We need to ensure that existing laws and regulations are updated to reflect the unique challenges posed by AI, while also being flexible enough to adapt to the rapid pace of technological change. Forging a responsible AI future. The future of AI is not predetermined, it is a choice we make. The path forward is clear. We must embrace the ethical imperative of responsible AI development. Ethical AI is not just a technological challenge, but a social imperative. By addressing bias, ensuring fairness, and establishing accountability, we can harness AI's potential for the greater good. We must work together to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits all of humanity. The future of AI is in our hands, and we have a moral obligation to shape it wisely. If you are passionate about shaping an equitable AI future, consider joining the AI Prosperity Hub membership for exclusive insight and resources. Together, let's build an AI system that uplifts everyone.